is up, reviewies? Got a little review board swag for you. Check it out at the link in bio. There's not a link in bio for merch yet. Don't worry about that.
Welcome to the review board. Sit right down and just enjoy. Jake, Joe, Edie, Puff, and the boys are on the review board. Welcome to the review board. Yeah.
What is this? A PlayStation 5 review board give? No, not yet. We are installing how-to video, a Samsung 1TB SSD card. This is for PlayStation 5s, Xbox Ones, computers, I guess. The nerds down at GameStop hooked, line, and sinkered me in on this one. So I've never been inside a PlayStation before. This is going to be a first. Comes with the TIG loaded on it, but it's it's got other data on it, so you're not getting your whole gigabyte. Screwdriver, SSD card, PlayStation 5. Shouldn't have to say this. Unplug it. And then what you're going to do is take the bottom plate off. They made this really easy. If you have a first gen, like the ones that came out first, it's going to be a metal screw, but, you know, we got it like a couple year late, so we got that plastic screw. That pops right off. This is what I'm nervous about, because like I said, I've never been inside a PlayStation, but I think we're going in. So M logo down. Disk drive is going to be facing up. And then we are just going to kind of push this out, he said. Okay, so I've never done this before, and I'm super nervous. The nerd on YouTube that did it broke his clips, so I really don't want to break the clips. And then the nerd was like, it comes right out. All you gotta do is pop it. It's meant to pop out. It's way harder than it looks. Okay, this side up. Dude. Apparently this faceplate just pops right off. And we're back. Having some technical difficulties there. So what you're going to want to do, it's scary, is pressure on the bottom and pressure on the top, and it just kind of pops out. Just like that. Okay, so then what you have here, is a PlayStation 5 internals. We got some dust. We're not going to blow that any which way. I heard horror stories one time where he spelled out for me, nostalgia. Jake blew on Lincoln's PlayStation 1 inside. Thing burnt out for a whole week, and Jake didn't go over to Lincoln's for that week. That's a true story. We need a Phillips screwdriver. This port with a Phillips is going to house this screwdriver. Okay, well, the other kids on the YouTubes are way stronger than I am. They just popped that thing right out. I'm over here. Dude, I can't get this. Oh my goodness. Well, senior editor's gonna have some fun with this. We're back with a real screwdriver to see if we can get this plate off. That one is not gonna fit. And look, we got it! Finally! Drink a lot. Whoa. This is like a motherboard with a what, bro?
A terabyte.
A gigabyte of space, bro.
A terabyte.
You're gonna pop that thing out. There's a screw in there for 110, it says. You're gonna lift. Oh, here, we got another one of those screws. Okay, we're gonna put this back where it's safe. PlayStation did not want me to move those screws. Okay, so we took this little thing out of the 110 mark. You're gonna slip your mama board in there. It slides in there, and then you just see it kind of meets up. Yeah, it wouldn't go that way. You kind of you're gonna push it in, you're gonna hear it click, screw it down. Pop this silver thing back in that covers your hard drive. And then you're going to screw that back in. We're going to pop that back on, and I will show you finished product. Going to boot your PlayStation up. You need to format it. Since this is the first time it's being used, you're just going to format it to the PlayStation. It will delete everything off of it. So if you have an old one and you don't want the files deleted, this is the final chance to save those files. We're going to format it, and because it's a PS5, it's going to take about 10 seconds. And our read speed is legit. Okay, has been formatted. Change where your games are installed. Go to settings, storage, and installation location. To safely remove your, please turn it off first. And then we're gonna go to settings, storage, and you're going to see my console now has that much space on it, and I've got the boom on free on that next one. So and then now you go to installation location, PS5 games and apps console. We're going to store those onto the M2 SSD. Download all the Call of Duty you want. And we are out. Thank you. Look out for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If no one's told you today, you're a 10 out of 10.